Hi, boys and girls. Welcome. Today we are going to start our phonics lesson. We're going to start with rhyming. So remember, watch me first, then it's your turn. If the words rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, give me a thumbs down. Here we go. Sat, mat. In, win. Best, vest. Eat, they. How, now. Great. The next one is our onset fluency. So you're going to watch me. I'm going to say two words and the sound they start with. Then it's your turn to repeat. Seat, song, s. Odd, ox, aw. It's, if, it. Bite, bag, b. Wash, wait, w. Nice job. Our next one, we're going to be blending our phonemes. So you're going to need your choppers for this one. We're going to do the two parts of a word, then we're going to say the word together. Watch me, then it's your turn. I, buy. Say. Do. Way. Key. Awesome! Great job with that. Our next one is isolating our final sounds. So you're going to watch me. I am going to be punching it out. I'm going to say the word and punch out the last sound. Watch me, and then you get to do it. Little. Put. Cub. Horn. Jack. Nice job with that. Our next one is segmenting phonemes. So you're going to need your choppers again. This time we're going to say the whole word and then we're going to chop it into the two pieces. All right? Repeat after me. Mow. M-O. She. Sh-E. Row. R-O. We. W-E. See. S-E. Awesome job on that one. The next one is adding phonemes. So you're going to need your hands for this one. We're going to have a piece of your word. We're going to have the middle of your word, or the end, sorry, and we're going to add a beginning, all right? So you're going to repeat after me. E. Add h. He. Good job. A. Add ul. Lay. Ooh. Add t. Two. I. Add p. Pie. O. Add Low. Great. Our next one is deleting phonemes. So you're going to hold a word in your hand, and then we're going to take away a piece of that word. All right, your word is go. Without g, what's left is O. Good job. Y. Without w, what's left is I. Day. Without d, what's left is A. U. Without y, what's left is ooh. C. Without s, what's left is E. Awesome job. Our next one is substituting phonemes. You're going to need your fists. We are going to be switching out the beginning sound of our words, all right? Repeat after me. Our word is lie. Change ul to t. Tie. Good. Tie. Change t to h. High. High. Change h to b. Buy. Buy. Change b to g. Guy. Guy. Change g to ul. Lie. Great. All right, and then the last thing we're going to do today is our language awareness. We're going to learn a new rhyme this week. So today I'm going to say the first two lines of the rhyme. You're going to repeat them, okay? Little Jack Horner sat in a corner. Now you try it. Great. We are going to continue with that tomorrow. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.